Hello, welcome to day 28 of our gratitude practice that we are doing with the help of the book called The Secret, The Magic, written by Rhonda Byrne. Today embarks the final day of our journey, gratitude journey. But honestly, today only the journey has started. The magic never ends. All we have to do is remember the magic. In the words of a very famous writer, that's the thing with magic. You have got to know it's still here, all around us, or it stays just invisible to you. So if you do not pay attention to magic, it stays invisible. So we have to keep practicing magic. We have to keep practicing the assignments given by the book. You can do a mix and match of the assignments. So today's assignment, along with Count Your Blessing and Magic Rock, is remember the magic. You have to scan through the surface of the previous day and find out things to be grateful for. Every day is unique. There is no day like any other day. The good things that happen today will be totally different, will be totally changing every day. All we need is to find them, to shift our focus towards them and be grateful for them. To help you do remember the magic exercise, author is suggesting few questions to be asked to yourself. What are the good things that happened yesterday? Did you receive any great news? Did you magically accomplish any of your desires? Did you receive any unexpected money? Did you feel especially happy? Did you hear from a friend from whom you haven't heard from a long time? Did you receive a great phone call or an email? Did you receive a compliment? Did you give a compliment? Did someone help you solve a problem? Did you help somebody? Did you eat your favorite food? Did you receive a gift? Or did you got a resolution to a problem? Did you spend quality time with someone? Did you make plans to do something that you really like to do? It's not about the size of the blessing. It's about how many blessings you can find out from the previous day. Scan the surface from the morning you get up to the time you hit the bed and find out as many blessings as you can. Feel as much gratitude as you can. Always remember, whoever has gratitude will be given more in abundance, and whoever doesn't have gratitude, whatever he or she has will also be taken back from him or her. Magic was created for you. Remember the magic. Today embarks the last day of our 28-day gratitude practice, and going forward, continue doing remember the magic exercise. Also, as I always say, keep doing Count Your Blessing and Magic Rock exercise even after the book gets completed. Plus, whichever area you want to create magics in, take out those chapters and do the assignments of only those particular chapters. Keep doing it, keep practicing it. The one who practices gratitude, the one who lives with gratitude, actually can touch the heaven. If you have any questions, if you need any guidance in this 28-day gratitude practice, please feel free. I am not charging anything. Please feel free to ask for guidance, ask any doubts or questions in the Facebook link that is provided in the description box of this video. Plus, if you want to be a part of my guided book reading sessions, then also please feel free to ping me in the Facebook link provided in the description box, and I'll get you registered and enrolled in our next batch. Thank you so much. Thank you for practicing gratitude with me. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being committed to gratitude practices, and keep up the magic. Thank you.